Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to fix your Instagram chat because it is not showing up. I'm going to show you a couple of methods on how to fix this, so let's go ahead and get right into the video. So if you go to Instagram and your chats are not showing up, then you want to go to the settings on your iPhone, scroll down, click General, click iPhone Storage, and then you can either scroll down or you can search Instagram. Once you're here, you want to click Offload App. All this does, it will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So you just want to click that and then reinstall it. And then once you're done with that, you want to come out here, you want to clear out Instagram, hop back on it, and see if your chats are showing then. If they still aren't, you can go ahead and head back to Instagram. You then want to head over to your settings by going to your profile, clicking the three little lines at the top right, clicking on settings. From here, you want to click on help and then report a problem. So report a problem right here. You then want to type in something like hi Instagram, my chat is not showing up. Could you check out my account and fix it? Thank you. So once you send that, it should take them a day or two to get back to you and see if they were able to fix this. And finally, you could also just hop out here and try to turn your phone off and on. This can sometimes help with problems like this. It's helped me in the past before, but I do hope one of these methods work. If they did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps with the channel a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.